Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage privacy settings on Instagram Threads. Easy and quick. All you have to do first, open Instagram Threads and then go to your profile, and after that click this these 2 points here, and then go to privacy. And as you see here, you can manage your privacy settings. You can make your account private, just click on it and click OK, and you can make it public again whenever you want, just turn it off. And you can manage mention settings, and you can see muted users, and that's it. As you see, you can manage whatever you want here in your privacy settings, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.